Hey y'all, welcome to Luderco Arms. Today we're going to make a short video, show you replacing the tail lights on a 1998 Cherokee, and this will pretty much apply to any of the XJ series. So I've got one tail light here that I managed to bust a hole in right there. So I figured it's about a good time to go ahead and put a new set on, which I got from Rock Auto, who are not a sponsor of the channel, but that's where I get most of my repair parts from that aren't specialized. So you got 3 bolts here. They're 10 millimeters. So we're going to pull those off first. This set back up where I had it. You've got 3 bolts to take out. 10 millimeter, and then that should come right out of there. I've only got one left, so once you've got your 3 bolts out, you can pull this out and then kind of pick up on it. It's got a tab at the bottom. Let me show you what we got here. So there's a plastic tab at the bottom that goes in here. I broke it off, but that's okay because we're replacing this tail light anyways. And then you'll see on the back here you've got your 3 lights, and you got one little clamp right there, right here, that holds your wiring in. So and these just twist out. They've got tabs. Twist those out just like that. This is somewhat difficult to do with one hand. I'll hold the camera. There we go. Alright, let me grab a wrench for that and I'll be right back. So once you got all your bulb holders pulled out, then you just put them in your new one. The little screw for the clamp is a 7 millimeter. So you just do the opposite. Put them all back in where you got them from. Little clamp back in place. Get your bottom piece stuck in the rubber, and then start all of your screws, or the little bolts. We'll use the tool here. Now, before we tighten these completely down, we want to close the lid here and make sure that these are, you want to make sure that everything's going to line up square and look good. So once you know that's good, then you can take and run your screws back in. You don't want to over tighten these because you'll crack the plastic. Tight is tight. Just like that. Now we just move on and do the other side. Working right. Yep. And there you go. New tail lights on a Cherokee. Hopefully this little video might have helped you out. If so, give us a like, subscribe to the channel. We've always got new videos coming out. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one.